I'm ordering food for us.
Okay, water bottle भी मंगवा दे.
Regular or alkaline water?
कुछ भी चलेगा. मामा मासी का तो फर्क है.
What?
Why are you looking at me like that? What happened?
Let's talk about alkaline versus regular water. Regular water typically has a neutral pH of around 7, but it is also slightly alkaline in nature. This means it's perfectly balanced for our bodies, provided it comes from a contamination-free source. In contrast, branded alkaline water has a higher pH, usually between 8 and 9. Some people prefer to drink alkaline water, which typically has a pH between 8 and 9 on the scale. Alkaline water with a pH higher than 9 is also available on the market. But beware, according to the World Health Organization, a pH above 8.5 is not considered safe for drinking. So overall, is drinking alkaline water within a safe pH range good or bad? Regular water is essential for hydration, supporting digestion and maintaining energy levels. On the other hand, it is believed that alkaline water can provide potential additional benefits like improved hydration, better nutrient absorption, and even detoxification. So, before choosing the right water for your daily hydration, it's important to understand the potential benefits and side effects of the water you want to drink. Subscribe for more such gyan, and to know more about alkaline water, check out our series here.
अरे sorry, ये खोल के तो जा.